Here's the acreage you've been waiting for. The best of both worlds. Live in the county and outside the city limits, but only a couple minutes to the Highway 5 bypass, just off of the Southwest 9th exit. This maintenance-free, walkout ranch has over 2,000 square feet of finish with an attached two-car garage on a dead-end road. Very spacious open floor plan, great for entertaining. Main level offers 3 bedrooms, 1.75 bath, including a master suite with shower bath. LL has a kitchenette bar with family room, 3/4 bath, laundry utility room and a non-conforming 4th bedroom, walkout with patio area. LL would make an awesome mother-in-law suite. It's 1.45 net acres, but the land behind the home is not buildable. Mechanics or contractors' dream. Newer pole barn is 36 by 54 west/12 side walls. It's insulated, heated, with electric and 220. Another pole barn for storage is 24 by 38. New furnace and CA installed.